First at 6, a shorter day for the jury in the Lindsay Clancy murder trial. Today's testimony came from first responders who were on the scene in Duxbury that day. They rushed to the family's home following the 911 call from Patrick Clancy and testified about how they tried to save the 3 small children. Lindsay is charged with killing her children before trying to take her own life. Good evening. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti. Chronological now. Yesterday, the frantic call, now the emergency response, and what will be upsetting testimony for some tonight. Just a warning before we go to NBC 10's Nicole Mader, continuing our live coverage in Plymouth. Nicole?
We heard from first responders today, the people who rushed to the scene and treated Lindsay and then found her 3 young children in the basement. This morning started with incredibly emotional and graphic testimony from some of those police officers and paramedics.
Excuse me. I asked if they needed any equipment.
Jurors heard from the first responders from that harrowing night in Duxbury. They found Lindsay Clancy in the backyard and her 3 children in the basement. They testified that when they arrived, they thought there was only one patient, Lindsay. But then firefighters heard screams and looked through the basement window where the sound was coming from.
I saw a male unwrapping something from a child's head, and he picked the child up and he was in a circular motion, taking something off the head, around the neck.
Paramedics and police rushed into the house where they found Patrick inconsolable.
He was still frantic, kind of in shock, still screaming and losing himself.
Screaming.
And at that point, he looked up and he screamed, "She killed the kids."
And quickly found the bodies of the young children.
We observed what appeared to be a child laying motionless on the floor.
I checked for breathing, checked for a pulse.
Did she have a pulse?
No.
They testified that they administered care.
Are you still giving chest compressions to Cora?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, it felt like forever, to the point where I think I radioed for assistance.
But it was too late.
I knew there wasn't really much I could do. So I picked the child up, went chest to chest.
And the first responders carried the children to ambulances.
And how was he removed from the basement and brought to the ambulance?
I scooped him up in my arms and carried him outside to the truck.
During the gut-wrenching testimony about her children, Lindsay Clancy trembled and sobbed quietly into her hands. All 11 first responders gave detailed and similar accounts of what they saw, heard, and did that night. Testimony ended early, and the judge sent the jury home at lunch. Tomorrow in the morning, the jurors will do that site visit. They will go and visit the house on Summer Street and then the CVS and the restaurant that Patrick went to on that night. In the afternoon, we expect to hear testimony from some of the South Shore hospital workers who treated Lindsay when she arrived in an ambulance. In Plymouth, Nicole Mader, NBC 10 News.
We're covering it every day, and you can follow along. Stream it live on turnto10.com.